Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you would like to know how to improve problem solving skills with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, this OpenAI tool will help you always when you are facing a complex problem in your real life or working environment in application development or any code logic you are implementing. So how we can get, first I would like to ask a ChatGPT to simply how to improve problem solving skills. See, just I'm asking a query to ChatGPT and we will see like a few problems how to solve and how we will get in a solution for it. Let's see, particularly in the software industry, to be make like a development or implementing many of the such a real world problems and real world solutions, we need to identify. As a developer, as a programmer, what you need to do, you will receive a problem statement where you have to find the solution for it to solve and save more time and solve many lives. So how it is possible? Yes, this is a possible way where you need to implement in your like a real-time functionality or writing a code in a real-world application or project development. So improving problem-solving skill, a combination both practice and learning new techniques. Yes, what the technology which is already there in the existing in the industry, and coming the new technology will always help you to making like a mini problem solution will be find at a single place. These tips to improve your problem-solving skills and legacy problems will have in a solutions in the new technology. Let's see, practice regularly. The more problems you solve, better you will become it. Practice problems that challenges you, push into out of your comfort zone and break the problem down. So it is a very important tip. If a problem seems too complex, what you need to do, break it down into smaller chunks, and how you can manage how you can rearrange this problem to manageable part. This will help you focus on each individual part of the problem and solve it, and a step-by-step process you can join them to find a big solution at single place. Analyze the problem. Take the time to understand the problem first. Identify what you are asking to solve, what the query you are listening and what the requirement you are taking and how to solve it. Make sure to understand the detailed constraints before you begin solving, and use a systematic approach. Yes, it's a suggesting of ChatGPT use a consistent problem solving strategy or framework to help to solve the problems. Some popular approaches including trial and error, working backwards, and using visual aids. Learning from the mistakers. See, mistakes are natural part of problem solving. So you are trying to doing something, but you are thinking what you are expecting outcome. If you are not coming, then you say that it's a mistake. So you are learning from them and reflecting when you are doing wrong or right. So try always, you need not to stop the trying. You have to start doing something and collaborate with others. Yes, collaborating with others will help you to solving your problem in less time. So more creative solutions they may receive, and read, watch tutorials. Yes, many blogs and tutorials, online resources available to help you to improve problem solving skills, and social media groups or any of the area which you are working. By joining there, they can share the knowledge, and to reading those problem statements and applying it will be help you. Stay positive. When you are inside the problem solving area, it's a challenging task. Important to stay positive and you need not to get discouraged. Believe in your ability to solve problems and stay motivated to keep improving yourself. Remember, problem solving skills takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged. Don't see immediate result. With the practice and practice, you can become a more effective problem solver. Then you will get huge packages. If you feel, yes, this lecture is helping you to approaching a problem solving like a skiller, you just try any of your problem which you are not solving properly. Try today by asking a query, and I just asking create a calculator program in Python. Calculator program in Python. Just I'm asking to ChatGPT. Just ChatGPT is supporting me to creating a particular function. Yes, completely like it may be like a small. I'm asking basic. It's a creating and it's giving to me like a 2 inputs and conditional statements it's preparing. So if you know the basic how to use this function, then immediately you can apply your way and you can like using and applying your problem solving skills more and more with your queries. Yes, try today and improve your problem skills in any area, not only Python, maybe Java or database or DevOps, any of your interesting area. Try today. Thank you.